How to open up to receive love and a life partner. Heal the gatekeeper, your nervous system. You cannot receive love if your body still believes it's unsafe. Trauma teaches the heart to flinch. So to receive love, you must gently teach your system to feel safe with slowness, consistency, being cared for without conditions. Practice. Spend time with calm, steady people. Journal when you are tempted to pull away from goodness. Notice the part of you that feels love is too much, and love that part instead of pushing it down. Release the love that's tied to pain. Love shouldn't feel like a battlefield. If your past relationships were rooted in trauma bonding, you'll need to detox from the high drama chemistry that feels like love but drains your soul. Practice. Write a goodbye letter to the version of love that hurt you. Honor what it taught you, but set it down now. It has done its part. Become what you're asking for. What kind of love are you ready to receive? Peaceful, playful, present? Then begin to treat yourself that way now. Practice. Say aloud, I am safe to be loved deeply. I am ready to be seen fully. I am the kind of love I seek. And then embody it. Set loving boundaries. Celebrate your worth. Speak to yourself like your soulmate would. Be seen, be known, be available. Sometimes we are praying for love with our words, but hiding with our energy. Opening up to love means taking gentle risks again. It's okay to protect your heart, but not to imprison it. Practice. Start saying yes to things you normally avoid. Events, introductions, dates. Let people into your world gradually. Don't rush, but don't disappear either. Be vulnerable in small, safe ways. I'd love to get to know you better, or that made me feel special. Ask the divine for a sacred partnership. You are allowed to ask God, Source, for a love that nourishes your mission and your joy. Speak it aloud. Write it down. Co-create it. Prayer prompt. Dear Divine, I open my heart to receive a partner who honors love like I do. One who walks with me in purpose, laughter, trust, and depth. Prepare me to meet them and prepare them to meet me. Truth to hold. You are not too much. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are ready, even if you are still learning to believe it, even if you still shake when someone gets close.